Today we are talking about Google Pixel 8 Pro. With Google AI and the best Pixel camera, it's the most powerful, personal Pixel yet. 6.7-inch Super AQUA display. Pixel's brightest ever. Fully upgraded cameras and never-before-seen editing. Polished aluminum frame and matte back glass. The power and brains behind Pixel 8 Pro. The new Google Tensor G3 chip is custom designed with Google AI for cutting-edge photo and video features and smarter ways to help throughout the day. And it makes Pixel 8 Pro super fast and efficient. Scratch-resistant glass, 0.24+ hour battery charges faster than ever. Powerful performance with 12 GB RAM. Powerful performance with 12 GB RAM. 7 years of security and OS updates, as well as feature drops. For exceptional cameras, completely upgraded. 50MP main camera for even more detail. The upgraded large main sensor with /1.68 aperture creates the best low-light photos and videos for the most stunning close-ups. 48MP ultra-wide camera for improved macro focus. It's the highest resolution yet from Pixel's ultra-wide camera. Zoom in even closer with enhanced macro focus. And zoom out even farther for astrophotography. 48MP telephoto camera is Pixel's best zoom ever. The dedicated 5x telephoto optical zoom provides the highest quality zoom on Pixel and up to 30x with super residential zoom. 0.5MP front camera for your sharpest selfies yet. With over 95 degrees field of view, the new ultra-wide camera has dedicated autofocus for the sharpest selfies ever on Pixel. Even more creative control. Even better photos. Pro controls unlock advanced camera settings like shutter speed, ISO, and more. 7, and they enable high-resolution images for richer detail. Better low-light photos. It's like night and day. The Pixel 8 Pro camera delivers stunning photo quality from dusk until dawn with night sight and astrophotography. Incredible videos on every take. The Pixel camera records sharp, smooth video with rich color and clear audio, even in crowded, dimly lit places. Google AI applies noise reduction to boost video quality in any light. Advanced editing helps you to control every detail. With Google AI, you can edit photos in ways that you never thought possible, so they match your vision. Reimagine your photos directly on your phone. Use Magic Editor in Google Photos to add custom edits and studio quality enhancements to any photo. Improve lighting and background, move a subject, and more, with just a few taps.